So now we're going to install the head and footboard pads. And for this extension, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to rip the Velcro off, get inside of the bed, and where this barrel bolt is, you kind of want to go straight across from there. So about 3/4 to an inch off of the top, you're going to come down and start your Velcro line. The reason for this is when that lid or the top gets on here, it'll actually sit into this groove without being on the pad, and that's what we want. So it doesn't have to be perfect. You can go down about 3/4 of an inch, and then just keep that same spacing all the way across. And now, just like the back panel pad, we'll take these and go right down the sides of them. And if you mess up, you can always peel it back up and redo it again. Main thing is just to make sure that it adheres to the wood properly. Now you'll take your bottom one and you will just connect each side. So now what we'll do is we'll take this, place each side at the top, so what you can do is you can just hold right here at the top and just kind of guide it down at least middle ways. And then you can come back to the middle ways right here and then pull down pretty tight and then just firmly press in. And do the same thing on the other side. All right, now that's done, come to the middle, pull down, and then work your way over to the edges. All right, and you will repeat this same process on the footboard side.